Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well. It would really mean a lot to me. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by this time next year. So make sure you subscribe and share and do all those fun things. All right, today we are going to be making Muddy Buddies, perfect for the holiday season. Let's check out our ingredients. First up, we're gonna melt our healthy chocolate. So go ahead and do that in the microwave, stirring every about 30 seconds just to make sure it doesn't get all clumpy. If it does, just add in a little bit of butter. Now, once it's all completely melted, you're going to add in your butter. And your peanut butter, and stir it all up. The heatness of the chocolate should melt it down, but if it doesn't melt down and stir really easily, then go ahead and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then stir again. Okay, so now that we have melted our chocolate and added in our peanut butter and our butter, you're going to stir in your vanilla extract. Now that that's done, pour your Chex into a large bowl and slowly start adding in your chocolatey mix. Make sure you stir really carefully. You don't want to be breaking up any of those Chex. Now that that's done, you're going to grab a gallon baggie, add in your sugar, and then place your Muddy Buddies straight into the bag. Then you're gonna shake it up and this will give it that nice white powdery coating that we all love. And done! We have our Muddy Buddies slash puppy chow here, whatever you like to call them. Let's give them a try. It's like my holidays in a jar. This is definitely a recipe that you need to try this holiday season. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you later.